Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do this really cool 3D death moth design. So let's get started. I used this nail art foil glue gel and I used this to outline the perimeter of the wings. These are my custom nail decals that I have available and you can check them out in the Etsy link in my bio or under this video. I'm taking a gold foil and pressing that along the glue gel and releasing it, and it gives it a really cool effect. I'm next taking a builder gel. This is going to act like a foundation for the wings so that when we slide it off of the backing paper, it has some type of foundation. It's not just flimsing around. I'm putting that all over the wing, and then I'm going to flip the paper over so that basically the product will kind of fall down. I'm taking a different image off of that same sheet, and then I'm going to cut out this other moth, and this is going to act as a guide for our moth's body. Using this really pretty green color, I'm using this all over the nail for the base. Dipping the decal into the water for about 5 seconds, taking it out, and it should be ready to pull off the white paper in about 10 seconds. I'm now taking a gem gel and spreading that all over the surface area of the body. And with this mold, I'm using this skull mold actually to create the death moth's upper part of the body. Using some gems, I'm going to use this for the body of the moth and some caviar beads as well. I use different not textures, but I use like different size rhinestones to kind of create that effect that moths have. And then I'm using caviar beads in the negative spaces so it brings the design together. So now going back to these wings, I'm going to cut each of them out, cutting as close as possible to each wing. I dipped these in water as well. Before I put the wings on, I did do the head, I guess, of the moth. I just used some 3D gel. And then for the eyes, I used these cute pearls. They're gray, but they would be perfect for the eyes. Using a nail form, I'm using this form, or the backing paper of the form, to create the antennas. I used builder gel to create the antenna. I just drew a straight line, and then I painted them black. So I'm taking more gem gel, putting that on each side of the skull there, and then I'm applying the wing on each side one at a time. I flash cures to make sure that they hold in place. And that's pretty much it for this design. If you want to see the surrounding nails and how I did them, go check my channel for the short videos. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a later video. Bye!